Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to dig into this 2011 GMC Yukon that I've been having overheating issues with. I believe you guys can relate with some of the ways I felt. We'll give you guys a little look here. So there's normal operating temperature. That's where we want to be. That's our happy spot. Well, I just start to creep up a little bit, but I got as high as like 235, that 3/4 mark on the scale. You start going above that in towing conditions or in normal driving, that's really bad. So the first thing I did on this when I was going through this, the classic thing to do is change a thermostat. And that thermostat change wasn't too bad on this. There's lots of videos out there. I'm not going to jump into the thermostat change, but that change did not fix my issue. Okay, the second thing I moved to was making sure that my radiator was cleaned out. Now this is a little bit of a bear on this to take off. Once again, I'm not going to go through the details on that. But the important thing is making sure that those radiator fins are clean. Here's a little view of what that radiator looks like. They can be filled up with bugs, all kinds of grass, debris, cotton, when cotton trees are in bloom. So it's really important to get that clean. Okay, this is the last resort. This is what I came down to deciding that I was gonna change out, as a water pump. Typically we only do that when there's leaks. At least in my experience and historically people I've talked to in the auto industry, you wouldn't change this out just to change it out. If it wasn't gonna fix it, I didn't know what to do. There was gonna be a Spencer-shaped hole in the wall over there. I'll push it right off a cliff because I was done. We'll show you some images that we got into, comparing how the old and the new water pump look inside. So here we have the old water pump. You can see the gap I'm pointing out. Those impellers have worn down and you're having leak by that's affecting the efficiency of this water pump. Now we can have a look at the new one. There is no gap and this water pump is looking in a lot better shape. Not major deterioration we saw in the other one, but that's the difference between a new water pump and an old water pump. All right, guys, so you can see that that water pump from the videos was our culprit. That worn impeller was cutting down on the efficiency of what this water pump does, and now all this thing's good for is a boat anchor. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with any of your friends and family. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps our channel grow and get our presence known. Let's go over my engine overheating troubleshooting checklist. We have a thermostat replacement, radiator cleaning, and then a water pump that has 100,000+ miles. If you're still experiencing overheating, especially when towing in hot climates or climbing canyons, a worn water pump impeller reducing coolant flow may be the culprit. A little tip is keep an eye on your temperature gauge. Catching early temperature spikes can help avoid expensive engine repairs. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm most